A big thank you to Dove Men+Care for allowing us to be a part of this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut your kid's hair without messing it up. First thing you want to do is you can grab a towel, go ahead and place it around your kid, and you can use a thick paper clip to hold the towel in the position. Then you want to take your clippers and use the appropriate guard to make sure you don't cut too low or not enough. Choosing the correct guard for your clippers is most important. But if you're having trouble, you can usually find the information you need right on the guard. It'll actually tell you how much hair will be left on the head after you make one passover. Now the guard I'm using is a 1. This is a standard buzz cut. You want to go against the grain, making sure you get things as even as possible all the way around. You can also go over one area more than once. Once you make the first passover with the clippers, then I suggest, to save time, you brush the hair forward to try to even it out, and then you start to do the lineup.
You have to be very careful of that one.
Now for this, you're going to use a trimmer and go around the contour of the hairline. What you're trying to do here is clean up loose hairs. Just try to keep everything straight and do the best you can. Practice makes perfect. Now, by no means am I a licensed barber, but I have been cutting hair for a while, so I feel like I can do this with my own child. I wouldn't suggest doing this for friends or professionally without a license. You can also take the trimmers and clean up any loose hairs. So if your kid has long hair on the forehead or on the back of the neck, you can clean that off.
Then after itch my nose, can you do it?
And then you make one final pass going with the grain over the hair, making sure that you're getting all those spots you may have missed in the beginning. Here's a pro tip. If you want to try to go ahead and fade the back, you can try that. I'll be going over how to give your kids a fade in another video. And after that, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Glenn and this is my son Theo. This has been #DadsCare. Let me know how you guys are caring for your kids in the comment section below. See you guys next time. Peace.